Here I have TOSCIDO P101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section and then to the Talkback. So here you can enable it. After you tap allow, Talkback tutorial starts immediately.
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback. Talkback tutorial.
So basically, Talkback is a mode made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that
Automatically advancing to lesson 1.
Okay, so
When navigate up button. Double tap
like
to activate.
when you're in this mode, to operate on this mode, you will firstly have to select some action and then double tap to confirm it, like this.
Talkback.
So for example, if you want to disable Talkback, you double tap, you tap here,
Switch out of list.
and double
Alert,
tap,
stop, Talkback.
stop
button.
once again,
Talkback on.
and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.